Hi, this is Naveen from Chicagox, and today we will see how to install WordPress on a local host with the XAMPP. Uh, uh, for this, we have a great article on this website known as the Conscience of a Techie. You can check that, but I will show you in detail. For that, we have to download XAMPP first. So let's download XAMPP first. For doing that, you can Google it. Go to Google and do ZAMPP, and it will take you to this Apache XAMPP, and you have to download it. See, I have a Windows, so I will download it for Windows. So once I download it, it will show like this, XAMPP Lite Win32. You have to double click on it and install it. For the time being, I am not showing it how to do it, but I installed it on the C drive. Then after that, you will get a screen like this once it is installed. Then you have to start two things, Apache and MySQL, because XAMPP let you run the Apache server on your local host and MySQL database, both of which are necessary for WordPress. So let's start our Apache first. So we are starting Apache. So it is running. You might get some message like Windows is blocking, firewall is blocking, so you do allow access. If there is nothing harm in allowing access to it, then I will also start this MySQL. See, and it is also running. Now what I will do, we have to create a database. So I will click this admin here, and click this admin here, and we click again. Okay, it is opening something. It opened thrice. Let it be open only once. So it will take me to this localhost php admin. So here I have to create a new database. I already have some database created, but here I have to create a new database. So everything is set okay. Just this YouTube general CI should not be there. It should be UFT Unicode CI, and create a database known as DB Shikha. You remember this name, DB Shikha. We have created it with any name. So once I create this, I don't have to do anything. Let it be there. Now what I have to do, I have to download WordPress. For downloading WordPress, I will go to wordpress.org. Then I will do a download WordPress, and I will download it. Click it here. I will download it as a zip file. So WordPress has started downloading. So it is getting downloaded. 50 seconds is remaining. Downloading. It is a small file with only 5.2 MB, so it's almost download. So downloaded. So it is complete. Then I will click here and show in folder. See, it is downloaded here. So I won't extract it here. I will extract it at a different place. I will extract it where my XAMPP is located. My XAMPP is located in this folder, XAMPP Lite, htdocs. I have to make it in htdocs. how to install WordPress in this htdocs. What I will do, I will copy it, download, right click, extract all, not extract here, I will directly take it there and extract. So it is getting extracted. So it got extracted. See, in here there is a new folder WordPress which is just not created. So I will change it to any name which I want of my website. Say it is Shikha Cops, which is our website name, Shikha Cops. Okay, so it is done. Now what I will do, I will go inside Shikha Cops and open this wp config sample file. Open with any notepad or something. I have notepad plus. I will open in notepad plus. So now what I will do, I have to give my db name, and this is the name which we have given while creating the database. It was db, you can confirm that also, db Shikha. So I will do shikha db Shikha. Username by default is admin and we didn't change it, so it is admin. Password was nothing, so I will make it like this. Now it is very important, while saving it, do file save as, and don't save it as wp config sample, save it as wp config, and it is php, so I am not doing anything, I am saving it as wp config.php and closing it. Let me check it once. Yeah, it is wp config.php. now our site is almost done. Now what we will do, we will go to our site by typing localhost comps, stabilizing our database connection. Let me check what's the problem. Now the problem was that I had given it admin, but it is not admin, it is actually root. So I will give it root and save it and close it. Now I will again go there, localhost Shikha Cops, and see the famous WordPress installation is there. Site name Shikha Cops, username. Now this is admin. I will give something which I will remember. And I will do install WordPress, and yeah, we are done. Now it is admin. And we got our famous VP admin window where we can create our WordPress, and this is our site. So thank you for watching this video, and we are complete. Bye.